Portable 4 handles EMSlim Neo EMS Sculpting Muscle Building Buttock Lift Abdominal Stomach Firming Machine. No longer need to spend more time and money going to beauty salons. Lying in bed can also improve your body shape with this portable beauty machine. HIEMT device is designed for aesthetic purposes, having 4 applicators with higher intensity. It's cutting-edge technology in non-invasive body contouring, as it not only burns fat but also builds muscle. Additionally, the treatment requires no anesthesia, incisions, or discomfort. Patients can sit back and relax, while the device performs the equivalent of more than 20,000 painless crunches or squats. EMS Body Sculpt High-Intensity Pulsed Electromagnetic (HIPM) technology builds muscle and burns fat at the same time. Electromagnetic pulses induce supramaximal muscle contractions which force muscle tissue to adapt, leading to an increase in muscle growth while burning fat through lipolysis. Please, remember to hit the notification bell, like, and subscribe for more videos. It's convenient, treatments are quick, and it only needs 30 minutes. Simple and easy to use operation. Just turn it on and let the system do the work for you. HIPM, high-intensity pulsed electromagnetic technology. It's like doing 20,000 crunches or squats in just 30 minutes without the hard work and sweat. It's suitable for both men and women who want to lose weight or build muscle, but have no time to gym. Tesla Sculpt electromagnetic muscle machine comes with 4 applicators, allowing treatments for the stomach, buttocks, arms, and thighs. Its safety and effectiveness, fully tested in 7 independent studies. Safety and effectiveness, with an average fat reduction of 19% associated with an increase in muscle mass of 16% during a treatment consisting of 4 to 6 sessions, spaced every 2 to 3 days.
It is stop. This is
Link in the description. Like, share, and subscribe to help this channel. Thank you.